Sorry, who are you?
You're driver.
We came here today because there was a minor court case and we had some friends that wanted to come and show support. It was an absolute nightmare with us trying to get in. So eventually they moved us to a bigger court and they did let us in. When we went in, they tried to usher Les into the dock, and his representative was still standing outside. So I took the lead to make sure that he didn't go into the dock, and I fought with the court assistant to tell her we were not going into the dock. When she moved us to the chairs, I made confirmed, and I have it on camera, that he was not in the dock. So at no point in time in that court case was he in the dock at all, okay? Nick said that if we talk, he's going to walk out, okay? He had said his piece. He was not going to get anywhere. He was quite prepared to get arrested, okay, for it, and he wanted to go his way. The feeling of that, anyone that was in there, you would have noted it wasn't going anywhere. They knew, they had already planned for us. We'd been waiting 2 hours. They kind of knew what we were there for. They were expecting trouble, and so they were prepared for us, okay? The only way that it would have gone anywhere was if I had have stood up and said who I was, okay? I did not identify him by name at all, so there was no need for anybody to know who he was. I just said that who I was, okay? So basically then Nick left because obviously he was able then not to take control of the court like he wanted. He did say that if any of us stand up and talk, he's going to leave. He's most probably going to be extremely angry with me, but we would have got nowhere. We would have all just sat there and nothing would have happened, okay? So he could have stayed. He was prepared to get arrested. He could have stayed and he could have fought his common law case because I did identify myself as a living woman, so I was also standing under common law. So I was there to support the situation, not to make it worse. We have had a comment from Nick as to what we did wrong, but hopefully he will tell us. But it's been adjourned until next year, so by then we know these courts are fake. We know that this is all just a show, okay? People are serving the courts on a regular basis now, so they are expecting us. So we need to know that they are flagging us, okay? We need to do the best we can do in that situation. And like I've said always in my meetings, if it means we have to play both sides of the cards, for now we have to do that. I would have never stood up and said who I was if Nick had taken control of the courts. I felt that there was no control in that courtroom and that they were just looking over him, okay? We need to prepare better. We've now got time. We've said that they need to provide us with evidence so that we can look into the case. We hadn't been given any evidence. We were going in there blind, hoping to take over the court on the common law ground. And if you saw for yourself, they completely dismissed that. They were not prepared to listen. So I think we did what was best in the situation. Still, as of now, Les Thomas has not been in the dock and he has not been in court today. So that's where the situation stands. If anybody else that was in court would like to have a say on camera over how you felt it was going, that would be great. Someone else would like to say something? No? Okay, thanks.